Today, I will run, I will bike, I will do legs at the gym, and these massaging pens claim that I will not be in agonizing pain after. If you want to see me in pain, this is the episode. Welcome to Storminno's lab, where I will show you how to be healthy and how to recover in case you accidentally have to run for your life or by some confusing decision you go to the gym. These are the pants that apparently will relieve me from sore muscles, which I don't believe one bit. Maybe we are on our way to colonize Mars. We invented artificial intelligence and we are on top of the food chain. But to cure the sore muscles after leg day, come on, we are not there yet. But let's see, maybe I'm wrong and we're advancing way faster than I thought. Before we talk about this and we unbox it, let me get into my running clothes and go do some workout. I want to let you know that running is not an activity that I usually do. So most probably, I will cough my lungs out in the next 5 minutes. Let's go, baby! Okay, I'm done running. 2 kilometers is more than enough for someone who doesn't run. Now, let's go hit the gym. I'll get on one of those electric bikes so I can catch my breath. So, we'll start with some squats, medium weight, and we'll increase it little by little between the sets. Let's go. Now, the most terrible exercise, in my opinion, lunges with weights. After I'm done with this, it can only get better. Now that we finished with this exercise of the devil, let's do some leg press. That's it, I'm done. Let's go home. I feel like throwing up. Oh, I'm all stressed out. Oh my god. And I know that the pain that I feel right now is nothing compared to the pain that I will feel in like 2 days. Can't wait. We just got home and we are ready to unpack the Normatec 3. These boots, pants, I don't even know how to call them. On their website, it says that it uses dynamic air compression to advance your wellness, recover faster, and improve your training. Normatec's patent precision pulse technology helps to increase circulation, revive muscles, and reduce swelling. It has a control unit from where you set the duration and the intensity of the massage, and it can go up to level 7. It also has an app which will help you unlock other features. The battery can last up to 3 hours depending on the level of compression that you choose. The price is £699 or $799, which I think it's a little bit steep, but it's mainly targeted towards athletes. So maybe for their target audience, it's decent. Now, let's get into the box. We have the control unit, which is pretty heavy. The next thing, this bag, I think we have one leg. Yes, we do. With this plug that I think it connects to the unit. Okay, this is one leg. And now the next thing. Well, this is the other leg. And we have another box with... Is this the instruction manual? It is made out of paper and a sticker. Okay, and oh my god, you really have a book here. Like, look at this. And in here, this is the cable. And of course, the charger. The plug is European and US. It's European and US. Oh, we have an adapter for UK and another one for whatever country this is. And that's it. I'm just putting it together right now. Which I think this will come in here. Okay, the satisfying click is here. Smart boys. Okay, so now let me put them on. And now we just have to figure it out. How does this work? Pressure level, we'll start with 1. You can select arms and hips. How does that work? Anyway, start. Okay, it's really tight around my foot right now. It's like someone is hugging my feet. It's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh! It's really weird, but it's nice at the same time. And now it's getting here. Oh, this is so nice. It gets here as well. I am actually extremely curious how the intensity level 7 feels if this is level 1. Now, I'll try the level 7. And honestly, I thought that level 1 is pretty intense. It's really tight right now. Oh my god, it's really tight. Okay, but it's really tight. Oh, it's getting even tighter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now the blood is circulating again. Like literally, I didn't have like now I feel, you know that feeling when the blood just goes. Now that I use them, I will have to wait until tomorrow when the sore muscles will kick in. Then I can say if it is as bad as always or if this thing actually does something. Okay, so this is the next day and my legs hurt like really, really bad. So let's... Oh, so I'm going to get the Normatec now to do the session again and see if I feel better, because at the moment I don't. Now let's do another session. Max intensity, faster recovery. That feeling again. Now that I take into consideration the fact that if you don't have legs, they can't hurt, I can say that they didn't do a lot. Like my pain is still there, but with this type of things, I think you have to use them for a longer time to feel an effect or something. And maybe like for athletes, maybe it's a viable option and maybe it does something. But for someone that just goes running or they go to the gym, I don't think it's worth it. 700 pounds, definitely not. We're done for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and also leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about these atrocities. Yeah, and the last 2 videos right here. Bye!